You searched how to buy shares of Cardinal Health Inc., a company that distributes medical products and services to hospitals and pharmacies. Cardinal Health trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CAH, and this short guide is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can make a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CAH to locate Cardinal Health. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ to confirm it is the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart so you can confirm this is Cardinal Health. Check the NASDAQ label and the CAH ticker to be certain you are on the right page. To place an order, click Invest. Choose the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, the platform may queue your order as pending, and if you lack funds, it will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro example link in the description if you want to follow the same walkthrough.